Today we will look at how we can connect this LG washer to the Wi-Fi using the ThinQ app. So with this, let's get started. So let's start with the first thing, that is turning on this machine. Now the machine is on. Now head over to LG ThinQ app, and in this, now we will have to register an account. So here when I click on sign in, you will have to register an account. If you're planning to integrate this with Home Assistant, it is preferred to use the register option rather than the social media login options. So I have already registered, so I'm going to put in my login details. So I have entered my login details. I'm going to log in here. So after the login is done, this app now needs to connect to nearby devices. I'm going to say allow for this one and also allow for notification. Also now it needs Bluetooth permissions. I'm going to allow this for now. So Bluetooth permissions are provided. Nearby location permissions are also provided. As per these cookies, I'm going to right now reject them all. And now this is going to ask me for my location permission. So I'm going to go to my settings here and I'm going to enable location services. So now let's go back to the app. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a device. So I'm going to select add device and then I'm going to select this device here. So this is now asking me to provide location services. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go into my permissions and I'm going to allow location services. So I'm going to say allow while using this app and I'm going to go back now. So with this, now it has all the permissions that it needs. I'm going to click on next and then I'm going to select an LG washer because mine is an LG washer right now. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to select the front loader washer because this is the front loader type. Next, it's saying that it cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. So what you need to do is you need to come to this wireless option here and I'm going to press and hold this option for 3 seconds. And now you see this Wi-Fi icon is now blinking. So now with this, I'm going to click on next and now it will try to connect to this particular Wi-Fi option. Now in case if it does not connect to the Wi-Fi option, what you would have to do is go back to this settings here and search for this LG Wi-Fi option. Right now, since I had already connected this before, it has auto connected it. So you will have to probably manually connect this back again. So once you connect to that, then come back to this screen. And now here you will have to enter the Wi-Fi credentials of your home Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to enter the Wi-Fi credentials here. So now I have entered my Wi-Fi credentials of my home network. I'm going to click on connect. So now this will actually make your washer to actually connect to the Wi-Fi. So now this is actually connecting the device and there we go. Now the washer is actually connected to our Wi-Fi network. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it some name. So I'm just going to call it as a washer and I'm going to click on OK. So with this, I have this front load washer now configured. Let's look at the options. So with this, you can see right now that I have all of these options. I can select the different standard cycles that I want. Like for example, let me select the mix option here. So right now it is telling me that the remote start is off. Changing the cycle will not change the cycle on the washer. So for this, what you need to do to enable remote cycle, you will have to select the remote cycle option here. So in this German washer that I have, it is called as Fan Start. So I'm going to hold this particular button here and after 3 seconds you should get this option available here. So if you have this option enabled, that means it's ready actually for remote control. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go back here, select this mix option, and this mix option is right now set. So with this I can now start the washer. So let me start this and as you can see it has now started. And this will actually show you the amount of time left, what's the time, when it's going to end. So I have paused the washer right now. So once it finishes, it will notify you on the app itself so that you come to know once the washing has been completed. Now to explore further useful options, you can go to this useful feature option and here you have stuffs like clean tub. So you can clean the tub using this option. You can select this, and once it reaches probably 30 cycles, you can start this. You have to also make sure that the tub is empty for it to happen. You can have energy monitoring also available here. So right now I have not run any cycles, so it's not showing me up here, but you can see the energy monitoring here also. So this is how you can actually connect your LG washer to your Wi-Fi and then control it using the app. Always remember that in order to have this remote access available, you need to enable this option here, which is usually somewhere on this corner. Right now this is a German one, so it's written as Fenstart, and you can have this option available to control your washer. Now in my next video, I will show you how you can connect this washer to Home Assistant and then monitor its progress. So stay tuned. So we just connected this washer to the Wi-Fi. Next, we will see how we can actually connect this to our Home Assistant and display a card on our dashboard. So make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more such videos to come. Till then, take care, and I'll see you in my next one.